Hello everyone! This video is a little different because I am testing an AI voice instead of just text. The reason for this is that I speak very poor English. With this AI voice, people can now use subtitles, making it easier to follow along. Let me know in the comments if you like this or if you prefer the old way. Enjoy the video! Today, I'm doing a swipe with a large stencil on top to create an interesting layered effect. I've carefully selected a combination of colors to enhance the design, and all the colors are described below. I hope you enjoy watching the process. I'm placing a ring, not in the center, but slightly to the left. This off-center placement adds more visual interest and creates a more dynamic composition. Let's see how it influences the final result. I still need to support my hand, as my repetitive strain injury, RSI, hasn't gone away yet. It's a challenge, but I won't let it stop me from creating. I just have to take it slow and be mindful of my movements. The fact that the color went over the ring doesn't matter. I'll blow it into place in a moment. The first 4 swipes I'll show at normal speed so you can clearly see how I do it. After that, I'll speed it up to keep the video engaging. Watching the same process too many times can get a bit repetitive. The painting is dry and I'm getting ready for the stencil. I'm preparing the canvas for a stencil, so I'm placing a few layers of cardboard underneath. This helps keep the surface stable and prevents me from pressing the canvas out of shape while working. A solid base is important to get clean stencil details. First, I apply a layer of gloss-heavy gel. It creates a smooth surface and helps seal the stencil edges, preventing the color from running underneath. Some prefer to use a palette knife for this, but I like to use my finger. That way, I have better control and can make sure the gel fills every detail properly. I first use deep gold and then bronze to cover all the cutouts. Even though these aren't metallic paints, the combination gives a rich, almost metal-like effect. I make sure to cover every detail thoroughly for a smooth and even result. Then I add some stripes of the 3 colors I used in the swipes beneath the stencil. This helps tie everything together and makes the design more vibrant and dynamic. By adding these touches here and there, the stencil blends beautifully with the rest of the painting. The stencil is perfect, but the swipe stripes underneath it bother me, so I'm painting them black. By the way, I hope you've liked the AI voice in this video. Let me know in the comments what you think. Should I keep using it in future videos?